through this campaign on a number of occasions in the past. 6 a.m. on a Monday morning, talking about industrial relations issues. Probably the most difficult thing I've ever done as chief executive. Today is much more straightforward, right? It's about essential skills, and colleagues here have gone through the essential skills course. Great achievement, really, because what what we've been seeking to do, we would all accept in every part of the council. We're going through a lot of change, technology. There's a lot of financial pressures on the council, and more than ever, we're only as good really as the workforce. And the fact that we have colleagues across the council going through essential skills training really important to us. So those of you that have gone through that course, fantastic. And it also leads on to other things, doesn't it? I know colleagues that have done the course, then gone on to NVQ courses, apprenticeships. So it opens up a whole range of possibilities. I know Anne, Shireen, Kath, and we're on a regular basis working with colleagues. One of the big issues around things like digital skills, technology skills. As a council, we're all going through this stuff, right? All of us, because it's changing all the time. So great that you've gone through it.